Hi everyone, it's Evelyn here from VisibleThread. Today I want to show you how you can add a watchwords list to VT Readability. A watchword is simply a word or phrase you want your writers to watch out for and potentially change to something else. Our example today is a COVID-19 watchword list. Among other terms, we would like our writers to not use the term coronavirus, but rather COVID-19. So let's get started. First, head over to our VisibleThread Dictionary Marketplace. This sits on our website under Resources Support Dictionary Marketplace. Here you can download a CSV that we've already prepared for you. And by the way, you can also create your own CSV with watchwords. To get the formatting right, simply use one of ours as a template. Now we head over into VT Readability. And we're going to head straight into settings and to watchwords. In watchwords, you have the option to either add a single watchword, or as we're doing today, we're going to upload a whole variety of them from our CSV. So I'm going to go ahead and choose our file. I'm going to append it to our existing watchwords, and I'm going to hit submit. For our VT Insights and team users, your watchwords will be available to your entire team, so not all team members have to do this individually. Let's scroll down. Here we can see our newly added COVID terminology. So let's see this in action. I'm going to head into my VT Readability. I'm going to take a text snippet. Please stay safe from coronavirus. Now remember, we asked our writers through our watchwords to watch out for the term coronavirus and instead use COVID-19. So here it is highlighted in yellow, and as we hover over it, it gives us the note to please use COVID-19 in all caps instead. And there you have it, uploading a watchwords list to VT Readability. I hope you found this useful. Till next time, bye-bye.